Well, this video is not only about getting Subway. As you can see from my channel, there are 0 videos on it. So, this video that you're watching right now is going to be my first proper one. And I'm gonna take this chance to introduce myself. How's it going, guys? Amirul here, and I'm a 26-year-old dude. I've been wanting to upload videos for a long time, but I just never had the chance to do it properly. If you recall at the start, I said that this is going to be my first video. Actually, I have uploaded a few videos here, but I have either deleted them or put them as unlisted. Why, you may ask? I have a problem. I like my videos to be of a certain style or certain quality, but the videos that I have uploaded have never ever reached my expectations. So, of course, the easy solution is just to remove it and have no one and myself to ever watch it again. But 2 days back, I came across 2 YouTubers, Natalie and Family, who uploads amazing content and aesthetically pleasing videos. And one thing that makes them different from other YouTubers is they tell stories of their life experience over their videos. I found their videos to be rather interesting, and it sparked the videography flame inside me. So, for the 100th time, I took my camera and called my friend, and we went on a journey to get Subway.
I've been finding my own, she said. I don't need you inside my head. Should be fine, should be fine. I've been finding my own, she said. All my love's wrapped in shades of red. Should be fine, should be fine.
See, if you want to do videography, ironically as it sounds, you need to go out and capture videos. So we went out and we started filming things, and honestly it felt amazing again to have the spark come back and to do something that you are passionate about. Every YouTuber or videographer has different styles to their content, and I'm still searching for my kind of style. Like me, I'm sure there are a lot out there that are still figuring out their passion and whether they want to commit to it. So what I'm trying to say is that you are not alone in navigating through this limbo or adulting in life. I've come to terms with myself that progress is still progress. I need to take things one at a time and learn to improve on it. This video that you're watching right now may be the best work that I've done as of that moment, but I know I will only improve from then on. Oh wow, I didn't mean to sound so deep. Anyways, we're finally here at Subway.
Sometimes I call it a Tuesday. Sometimes I call it the best day of my life. Maybe that was a Friday. Making conversation with a box of wine. Oh, I only eat coffee when I'm drunk.
Subway, eat fresh. So that's the end of our journey of getting Subway, and we feasted on it on a bench by the playground. Hey, we finished a video finally and uploaded it. Good job, Amirul. What will the next video going to be about? I'm not so sure, but we'll see what idea comes to mind and what the future may hold. Stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you guys soon.